In late May, I called for global support for a sprint to September to enable countries to vaccinate at least 10% of its population by the end of September. We're now more than halfway to that target date, but we're not on track. When I issued that challenge in May, high-income countries had administered around 50 doses for every 100 people. Since then, that number has doubled. High-income countries have now administered almost 100 doses for every 100 people. Meanwhile, low-income countries have only been able to administer 1.5 doses for every 100 people due to lack of supply. We need an urgent reversal from the majority of vaccines going to high-income countries to the majority going to low-income countries. Accordingly, WHO is calling for a moratorium on boosters until at least the end of September to enable at least 10% of the population of every country to be vaccinated. It's no understatement to say that the course of the pandemic depends on the leadership of the G20. I repeat, it's no understatement to say that the course of the pandemic depends on the leadership of the G20 countries. We call on vaccine producers to prioritize COVAX. And we call on everyone with influence, Olympic athletes, investors, business leaders, faith leaders, and every individual in their own family and community to support our call for a moratorium on booster shots until at least the end of September.